I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're going to make a quick meal or quick bite to eat, but all depends on the ingredients in the basket. Let's see what we have here. Another mystery basket. So I have here 35% cream and mushroom, nice pesto sauce, and pecorino romano. That's right, so we have a pasta here. So what we have here, we have a rainbow tortellini and pine nuts. And what do I have here? I have some garlic butter. Look at that beautiful fresh rainbow 4-cheese tortellini. So let's start with the water first. We're gonna boil this. Doesn't take time, about 3 minutes. And let me cut this beautiful mushroom. I'm just gonna cut them into quarters. Your frying pan on a medium high. Garlic butter, heavy cream or 35% cream, and a pesto sauce, pepper, a little bit salt, and the pecorino romano. So now we're gonna let it simmer, and then the 35% it thicken up on its own, so we don't need to add any flour. You can see it start thicken up a little bit. Now I want to add the mushroom, and the tortellini need 1 more minute and they'll be ready. Perfect, tortellini is ready. Turn off, and as I said, doesn't take long, only 3 minutes. So pretty much here what we have, like within 5 minute amazing meal to prepare. Tortellini goes in. Now let it simmer for 1 minute max and ready to be served. Oh my god, I almost forgot the pine nuts. So I'm gonna put a little bit olive oil, and I'm gonna roast the pine nuts. That goes so well on top of the tortellini. Perfect. You can see now they're all brown and took less than a minute. Turn off. Perfect. Tortellini ready. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh basil. Give it a little mix. Turn off, and ready to be served. Yum. Look at that beauty. A little bit pecorino romano on top, and the roasted pine nuts, rainbow tortellini in the creamy pesto sauce, and all yours to enjoy.